Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to use OBS on Omegle. First of all, open up the OBS. After opening up, click on the add icon from the sources and choose the window capture option or any of the following from here. Now select your multiple friends and click to create chat. You can adjust your display capture screen. Then open up the web browser and search Omegle in here. And click to open its site. Once you get into its site, click on three dots from the top right corner. Now from Settings, tap on Privacy and Security, then tap on Site Settings. After that, click on Camera option and choose the OBS Virtual Camera option from here. That's how you use OBS on Omegle. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.